In my car, I'm getting out before the snowstorm hits. We're supposed to have like 10 inches. It's gonna be insane. Right now it looks good out, besides it being dark and cold. And I might get some baby stuff. I gotta get like a shovel in case my car gets stuck again, because I had to have my neighbor help me last time because I didn't have a shovel. So I live in an apartment, so usually you don't need a shovel, but when there's that much snow, the snowplow can't get like right behind your car. So yeah, so I might have some baby stuff to look at just to get out and have fun, because I've been having a really hard time. So I just need to make myself get out of the house, and maybe I'll film some. Like I said, I've been having like a hard time, and you guys are so sweet. Like, I went to the post office to drop off Etsy orders, and I got 2 packages and a letter. So I got this one, has adorable stickers on it, and then this one, and of course I don't want to show the addresses, but thank you guys so much. You guys make me feel so loved and appreciated, and all those awesome things. So. In Target, it was really busy, so it was hard to film baby stuff, but I tried to film a little bit. I got my medicine, and now I'm at a grocery store called Kroger, and they didn't have a shovel at Target, so I'm really hoping Kroger does, so I don't have to go to like Walmart or something. This makes me mad when people put their stupid carts and don't put them away. It's so lazy. It's not even snowing out yet. And then there's another one on the other side of me too, and I hate parking next to them. But it's so crowded because everybody's trying to get food and stuff before we all get snowed in. And, I don't want them to hit my car. So, I'll see if there's anything interesting in Kroger to film, but probably not because I'll just be getting food. What happens to me is I get distracted in the store. I'm like, oh, I'm here to get food, and I totally forgot to look for a shovel. I don't want to look for a shovel, but then I don't want to get stuck if I don't get a shovel. I don't want to go anywhere else. I just want to go home. Yippee, I'm at Walmart. Not really. I'm just gonna look for a shovel, and of course I'll peruse the baby stuff as well. So now I gotta put all my groceries away, and then I gotta open my packages. Max says hello. He likes new stuff. Now I gave Max some cantaloupe and watermelon because they're his favorite, and I was eating some and he begs me for it, so that's what he's eating. And I just wanted to thank Little Bee Nursery. She sent me these. I'm pretty sure it was her. This towel and mitt set. I've been using them a lot. I love them so much. And right now I'm just cooking some organic fries with that have just some sea salt. And yeah, those come in handy. So thank you, and thank you everybody for watching this video. And hopefully soon after this video is up, well, a little bit after maybe, I will have the box openings of the amazing stuff that you guys sent me. So hope you enjoyed this kind of different kind of video, kind of like a vlog, I guess. So thanks for watching.